Hmm. I feel like you have ulterior motives since you're using me as a model here. Alrighty, then I'll just find you a model that's around the same size as your average pet. It can wear those accessories instead.
Otto is not a pet and does not provide dress-up services.
Otto said it's not a pet, but it looks just like a puppy when it's scared.
Wait, you two like our store's products, right? Otto has decided to let you participate in our store's secret event. Complete the shopping challenge and you can take the products home. That's more fun than playing dress-up with Otto. Not to mention, this event is a collaboration with the Animal Shelter's charity competition. You'll be giving back to the community. Kind-hearted participants can also donate any extra products to the shelter and sign up as competition volunteers. What do you think? Can you let Otto go now?
Go on, lead the way.
If you two are interested in signing up as volunteers, you'll need to claim a puppy contestant first. Help the puppy perform well, and it might find a new owner. The competition is about to start, though. Almost all of the puppies have been claimed. Only this one is left. His name is Howl.
He keeps howling. I'd say his name really suits him.
The volunteers who worked with him think he's too introverted. He might not be very cooperative during training.
You only put this on me after we left the supermarket. And it already caught his attention. He's probably used to seeing this stuff. He doesn't think we're serious. We need a more patient approach to show we're sincere. I could have sworn we brought that brush from the store. He missed a lot of people. Maybe he was waiting for us so he could enter the competition. Pet his nose. What do you mean? It's safe as far as I'm aware. Do you have to copy everything I do? You enjoy mimicking people, huh? Ooh, true. I did say, oops, I didn't get anything when we were playing with the claw machine. To think you remember it so well. Whether he had his reasons or was just making excuses, he willingly gave Hal up. So, our goodest boy isn't related to him anymore. We just need to focus on his future. Let's take him to the track and see what he can do while we still have daylight. This is gonna take a while. Thanks to him, power walking around the park counts as squeezing in some exercise. We probably look like a pair of balloons he's dragging around to passersby. Since his previous owner said he didn't have time, he probably never brought Hal to places like this either. No wonder his reactions are intense. Hal, let's go. Yeah, sled dogs are unique. They always have to rely on their own judgment to deal with emergencies and blizzards. So as far as genetics are concerned, they won't always obey. I did some homework. As long as something isn't impossible, it's still worth a try. Besides, I've seen plenty of things with worse odds actually happen.
Sorry, I didn't hit any of you, right?
Who told you to cheat with your strength evolve? Why did you hit it that far?
Good catch, Hal. Hal, do you see that spot? Take the shuttlecock over there. I wanted to try it since he was eager to catch the shuttlecock. I'd say it's an unexpected discovery.
Thanks. Your dog is really smart.
Genetics are part of nature, but environment is part of nurture. I wouldn't be surprised if he's obedient because he was abandoned. He might be afraid of being left behind again. Maybe his previous owner said something like, "If you don't listen to me, I'll leave you," multiple times. And in the end, he actually followed through with it. are you only making a promise to yourself? What about me? You need to check my score. I thought I could skip that part. Let me tell you about my history with her. No matter how bad the fight between us is, I never turn around and walk away. Even when she wants to push me away, and it's obvious she's pretending, I only get closer. Does that count?
Ow?
I still have to work on it. I'm pretty sure this will increase my score faster. We still need to promise him that we'll give our all in this competition. We won't let him down. If he forgets and stands there, I'll use my eval to carry him.
Cheating? Otto has detected a sensitive keyword. The competition schedule has been released, and you're in the second to last group. Let Otto see who's with Howl. Ollie, yes, that one over there.
Yep. I watched Border Collie competition videos. They're basically like martial arts masters. They can move without leaving behind a trace and glide with perfect grace. Of course, look how hard he's tugging that chew toy right now. When it comes to tackling the course later, he definitely won't back down. This Pomeranian is treating the racetrack like a runway. This isn't a professional competition. It's just using racing to give dogs a chance to show off. As long as Hal can win over the crowd, it'll be good. Did you forget? He has a stronger sense of curiosity and desire to explore compared to the other puppers. He can play catch and wrestle around in the mud. He gave us plenty of surprises and joy. If he can have the same kind of unexpected performance on the field, then the audience's reaction might be the same as ours. You can act as the handler on the field, and I'll play it by ear from the sidelines. Hal, are you ready?
This husky's movement technique is remarkable. Ow! Ow! We now have an interlude. Look at this photogenic pupper. Now all the cameras are focused on him. We're waiting for this frontline journalist to bring us a report.
That's the result we knew we'd get. Before entering the competition, I consulted the shelter about their adoption screening process. They'll evaluate the potential adopter's qualifications. I'm sure that Hal will have a loving owner. I think he had something else in mind. There's a paw print on each medal, and I authenticated them for you. They're all Hal's. He probably overcame the trauma of being abandoned. Compared to the competition's results in finding him a new owner, I think this is the most special thing we've accomplished. Everyone craves those things, but most people are stingy about giving them out. Ah, you're praising me. Keep going. Please and thank you. What do you mean? Caleb is a poor little boy. He only wants to hear you praise him a few times. Your words are sweet. You made Hal jealous. But Caleb can give you even more than that, as long as you have room for it.